Hi, I'm Tom from Learn PDR Online. One of the questions we're often asked is to find out what kind of damage we can repair with paintless dent removal. Now, most small kind of cosmetic door dents and dings are possible to get to the dents and remove it without any kind of filler or paintwork. But of course there is also damage that has perhaps structurally damaged the vehicle, kind of like high or collision damage, or minor damage that's broken the paint. So you can have a fairly soft dent, but if it's against something abrasive like a brick wall, then that will take the paint straight off, in which case, although we could take the dent out, you would need to have the panel repaired and painted. But most small or even large dents that haven't damaged the paint should be possible to remove with paintless dent removal techniques. This will avoid the need for filler and paintwork if it's unnecessary. So hopefully that gives you a good idea, or at least a better idea, as to the type of damage that we can repair with paintless dent removal, and the limits also involved with PDR, and when it would need to go to a body shop for a traditional repair method. To find out more information, you can go to Learn PDR Online. Thank you for watching.